guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. It is your business cleaning bestie, Felicia, and today we're talking about one of my favorite topics to talk about, and that is marketing, right? And so I'm going to be sharing with you guys the importance of marketing in your business, how you need to have effective marketing in your cleaning company as well. So one of the things, we're just going to dive in. So listen, grab your notebook, okay? Grab your pen and let's go. So the first thing that I want to share with you, and I have my notes here, so if I'm looking this way, right, is that anytime you are thinking about your cleaning business, I've said this before, but I just want to start the video here. You really have three different pillars of your cleaning business. The first is marketing, very important. The second is scheduling, which I'll talk about in my next video. And then the third pillar is actually hiring, right? If you are a solo cleaner, stop it, okay? If you truly want to scale your business, you have to get out of the field and you have to truly step into the CEO role in your business, right? Because you can only clean so many houses in so many hours, okay? So eventually you're gonna kind of tap out at a certain amount. So the first thing that I want to talk about really quickly is marketing, okay? So the bottom line is that you cannot flog a dead horse, okay? And if your cleaning company, your maid servants, if it's not up to snuff before you actually start marketing, you're going to fall flat. So no amount of flashy marketing can make up for mediocre maid service. So you have to make sure that when you get the client, that you're able and ready to serve them, and that you ultimately are providing premium service for the amount that they're paying, okay? So you need to create a premium brand image. So that is because the reality is cleaning is a luxury. A lot of people, especially in this economy, they're cutting back. So the fact that they want to invest in you or invest in your cleaning company, it truly is because they are looking for that high tier service that they can provide. So before you actually go out and try to get the client and do everything, I want you to be proud of your branding, proud of your marketing, and I'm going to share with you some tactics that you can build alongside that. So the first thing is, whenever you're marketing your business, you really want to understand that there's hundreds of ways that you can do it, but your top marketing method should be that you ensure it's effective, it's time efficient, it's repeatable, and also that it's trackable, so that you can track if you're spending $100 on an ad here or $100 on an ad there, like what are you actually getting back from spending those types of dollars as well. So whether you're doing Google, whether you're doing direct mail, whether you are doing cold calling, or whether you're buying leads or whatever that may be, what is the return? So for every XYZ amount of money that you're getting, what are you seeing as far as the return in that as well? So the reality is that people are always searching for businesses just like yours, right? People are always searching for them in the area. But you want to make sure that whatever amount, first of all, that you're spending the right amount of money on ads, and you also want to make sure that your ads are positioned so that people click on them and they actually want to take action. So your headlines, are really key. Your keywords are really key. Your images that you're using or videos, critically important, okay? So if you're not good at that stuff, you need to outsource it to somebody who is. If you're doing direct mail, you want to focus on defining who you're talking to, finding your people, crafting the right message, delivering that message, and tracking the results, and then repeating that. Those are really the core functions that you need to do. So once you have your target market defined, I think all of this other stuff will kind of fall into place. But if you have any questions regarding anything that I have shared, please comment below. I love answering you guys' questions. Please make sure that you like, that you follow, and that you also subscribe as well. I'll talk to you guys on my next video.